Hi, I am Kumar, a Google Ad and Web Analytics expert. I will show you how I set up my accurate e-commerce tracking in GA4 using Google Tag Manager with debug mode. Most business run ad fail to track purchase, add to cart, or checkout step accurately without accurate data. Ad budget are OS dead and ROI drop. Using Google Tag Manager, I set up GA4 e-commerce tracking events like view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase. This ensures that every customer action is tracked is in real life. You are looking at mm, on Google Analytics, debug view, Google Tag Manager, preview, connect Google Tag Assistant. Our website Google Tag and Assistant Connect. Uh, what I've select, add to cart, next view cart, next process to set out, or data submit, then, then place order, place order success. And then we are showing Google Tag Manager. Look at that Google Tag fire, Google Ads purchase tag fire, uh, Google Ad user provide data event fire, uh, GA4 view item tag fire, GA4 add to cart fire, GA4 view cart fire, checkout, and GA4 purchase tag fire. Then I showing mm, Google Analytics, all data showing view item, item ID, quantity, item name, item category, price, all data. Then purchase and GA4 purchase is all parameter showing user properties and item ID, quantity, item name, item category, price, all data is clear. And in GA4 real-time report, we'll see the purchase and add to cart event following in this help business measure conversion, improve ad targeting, and maximize ROS. If you are looking for accurate GA4 e-commerce tracking, I can help set up trust and uh, optimize your analytics for better ad performance. Let's work together to grow your business.